Welcome back to Global Knowledge Factory. Before we start, be sure to subscribe for more amazing videos.
The SI unit of heat is A watt, B volt, C joule, D Newton. Answer is C joule. Two automobiles are 150 kilometers apart and traveling towards each other. One automobile is moving at 60 km per hour and the other is moving at 40 km per hour. In how many hours will they meet? A 2.5, B 2.0, C 1.75, D 1.5. Answer is D 1.5. The branch of science which deals with the properties of matter and energy is called A biology, B geography, C physics, D chemistry. Answer is C physics. Physics is one of the branches of A physical sciences, B biological sciences, C social science, D life sciences branch. Answer is A physical sciences. Which branch of science plays an important role in the engineering? A biology, B chemistry, C physics, D all of these. Answer is C physics. The most fundamental of all sciences which provides basic principles and fundamental laws to other branches of science is A biology, B physics, C information technology, D chemistry. Answer is B physics. The branch of physics deals with highly energetic ions is called A elementary articles, B article physics, C ionic physics, D plasma physics. Answer is D plasma physics. The dash branch of physics deals with nuclear particles such as neutrons, protons and nuclear. A solid state physics, B plasma physics, C structure is called, D nuclear physics. Answer is D nuclear physics. The branch of physics which deals with properties of gravitational A field theory, B acoustics, C hydrodynamic, D optics. Answer is A field theory. The branch of physics which deals with the living things is called dash A. Biological sciences, B. Physical sciences, C. Cell systems, D. Elementary physics. Answer is A. Biological sciences. The physics of moving charge particles is known as A. Plasma physics, B. Electrostatics, C. Electromagnetic, D. Electrodynamics. Answer is D. Electrodynamics. Study of living science relates with A. Physical science, B. Biological science, C. Just living science, D. Organ science. Answer is B. Biological science. The first book of physics was written by A. Kelvin, B. Newton, C. Aristotle, D. Faraday. Answer is C. Aristotle. Which one of the following is massless? A. Proton, B. Electron, C. Neutron, D. Photon. Answer is D. Photon. Name the branch of science which deals with the study of sound and sound waves. A. Aeronautics, B. Acoustics, C. Aerostatics, D. Etiology. Answer is B. Acoustics. The formula of interconversion of centigrade and Fahrenheit scale is A. C minus 32 upon 9, B. F minus 32 divided by 9 is equal to C divided by 5, C. F minus 32 divided by 9 is equal to C divided by 9, D. None. Answer is B. F minus 32 divided by 9 is equal to C divided by 5.
Thanks for watching and wait for the next video.